Another day, another dollar. Daylight comes, I'm on my way. Another day, another dollar. Working my whole life away.
Well, guys, we're trying to turn around chicken burns real quick. The weather's actually been pretty terrible. Can't really tell, but the wind's blowing. White caps out there on the water. And yeah, it's just been slow here for the last couple days for, say, tractor stuff. But we got lots of work to do in the burns. But you know, they make the money, so I gotta keep busy doing that for right now. I'm hoping maybe this weekend I'll get out from Brent with another bale. Anyways, folks, here's to hoping. Alrighty, guys, we're at Lyndhurst's field here. This is on Saxon Street. The road's right over there. The boys are up on the hill. Brandon Els and those guys. He's running the grain chaser. There, right through those corn bushes going, is DeGraff's. We're gonna hit those guys up today, hopefully too. But today we're here at Lyndhurst's. Actually, already been up flying, so actually it turned out well. But we're only one battery today because the last video Morgan screwed up and lost the battery. So yeah, that's $400 or $500 gone right there. Anyways, I love the smell of that corn stalk though. All right, let's get this show on the road. I'm on to my next group. Here we go. All right, guys, we are in Stedman Road, Lakeville, Centerville area, and this is Nick DeGraff, his new combine. One that everyone's talking about, big John Deere. We just did a John Deere, but everyone says this is the newfangled one. They got newfangled 8R tractors here. Quite impressed actually with the green stuff. Actually, it's looking nice for the new. So let's all watch her run. Here we go. So that's it for today, guys. Well, the battery really hurts me, but no, I got 2 shots out today, so that's pretty good. And then, well, we got Lyndhurst, and then we got DeGraff. I'll be back. I got more people to go find yet, and I probably will do more with these guys just because of my situation. But it's a beautiful day, so I'm not letting that hold me back. Sun's out there shining. It's awesome, actually. It's a good day for it. But like anything, gotta go home, got chores to do, money be made, right? So here we go. Well, guys, land clearing's going good. I think that's it for the winter there. But they got this one side done over this way and up there or whatever. But then they got that left. Doesn't look very big, but there's probably a couple acres there. Anyways, by the time it's all done, this field should be around or over 100 acres, so looking good though. Better when those big old piles of birds up. Gone. Looks good. Back to the corn. Looks rainy out, don't it, guys? I got the road grader on. I turned that radio off here. It's Halloween night, and I wanted to grade my driveway because it's all potholey and it's about a half a kilometer long or so. The rain is coming down, so obviously no one's doing corn, and if they are, well, they probably should never be doing corn again. But anyways, yeah, the driveway had a few potholes in it, and I wanted to get cleaned up. This isn't really the best weather to be doing this in. But again, it's Halloween night, and it actually turned out real good because I could smooth it right out. But again, don't want people beating up and down my driveway in potholes. Not like it was that bad, but I like to have a nice smooth driveway. Anyways, back to the corn, guys. What's going on, guys? I know you can see my shadow. It is Monday night. We are on North Bessie Road, or I guess they call it North Medford Road now, where we are with Jim Ansom's crew. They're here harvesting the old corn with the John Deere combine. Got some nice, good before sun, dark shots. I love it. All right, guys. Just want to say one more thing. We're not done yet. We're gonna go and hopefully see a couple more people we haven't got yet, and people that we have seen, just because I'm short on the battery power. All right, here we go. What's going on? It is Wednesday. It's raining out a little bit today. It's supposed to clear up this afternoon. I don't know if corn guys will be going or not. But we got a few things to fix and doing stuff here at the shop. So we're going to do that. And maybe this afternoon we'll see what happens. What's going on, guys? We are on the main highway 358. Truck going there in the background. I'm here with Cody. He's doing his corn with his John Deere 9400, and looks like it's going well. I bet this corn is high in moisture because it just finished raining here probably an hour ago. But anyways, you got to get it done when you got to get it done. So anyways, guys, it's fun doing that. Off to the next one. It's Thursday morning. Stairs are out. Phone ain't picking it up, but it sure is picking that up. You start seeing that. Snow's not very far away. It's cold out this morning. Frosty. Like a skating rink on here. Yep. Better hurry up, get that corn off. Snow's coming. Well, finally, I get to sit down here. Nice loader and stuff here in the workshop at home. Cody was here the other day, combining out in the dooryard. I took some shots of that too. So that was right here in the dooryard. Just want to let everyone know that was out to see me. Thank you for letting me come out, and everyone for the support. Thank you very much. All the newcomers. We've been doing this for 3 or 4 years, so you can go back like 4 years of episodes of everything: grass, cultivating, seeding, harvesting, whatever, poultry. That's the other thing. We will be doing a poultry episode after this, so we're not really done, but we're almost there. There won't be no more drones. So we got a poultry episode coming. Hopefully, I'm hoping my wife takes a little bit of hold of that, a little bit more. But I want to thank all the groups, Farming in the Maritimes, Farm Machinery, All Ages and Stock, Each Schroeder, All Things Annapolis Valley, Doug Ralph, he's a good supporter. We get support from a lot of places that I would never think we'd get support from, and thank you to all you people. I never would have thought that over the last 4 years we'd be where we're at now. And this whole idea again just started, I more or less just wanted to show what it was like in the real working field, and not the glory field that YouTube kind of makes things look like. I think that's just about all, guys. Hopefully you enjoy the corn, all that. I think we're gonna go with the Glorious Sons and their new one. Can't remember what it's called right now. with our music too, we try to stay Canadian. Every once in a while, stick something else in there, but we try to keep to our roots here. Like in Nova Scotia, we'll stay with Canadian bands and stuff. Hopefully everyone enjoys this. Like, share, subscribe. With the live event, again, I'll get you updated on things that could be and what I'm thinking, because again, we'll talk about that when we get there. Anyways, folks, enjoy the corn. Let's get this baby rolling.
What do you want?